Welcome to the Three Rivers School District tutorial on how to use ParentVUE to find your child's bus route. To begin, open your electronic device and find the ParentVUE app. Open it and log in. Once logged in, choose the student, click Student Info, and at the bottom of the screen, click Additional Information. Here you will find bus pickup and drop-off information, including route numbers, times, and locations. Once done, click the Home button to return to the main screen. If you haven't already created an account, be sure to visit our website at threerivers.k12.or.us and click on the Parent menu option at the top. There you will find the Parent Portal page where you can follow the directions to create your account.